love me. Switching it up is everything. So let's unbox this Love Me package. This package blew my skepticism out the park, okay? So let's go ahead and remove this bow and open the box. This brand went ahead and sent a rewards membership guide. So if you're interested in becoming a Love Me member, that's it for you. And they went ahead and outdid themselves. They gave me a free flat iron to do my edges. I'll show you that at the end of the video. But here we go. We know switching it up is everything. So unbox the love. You got a peek of the hair, right? All right, you did. Coming back to the wig later, but in the box I got this. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. It looks like an adhesive headband. Then I got the wig cap, and they sent me to the dark shade. It's a bit darker than I am, but it'll work. And I got my user's guide. We're not done yet. There's more in the box. I see an edge brush around there. There you go. Branded name, Love Me on the side. Curl your edges, brush your edges, comb your edges, brush your eyebrows. It'll do the job. Here we go with the wig. Now I was showing you that definition in the lace front, but there's another gift in the box. There's a hair clip, a branded hair clip. Now, this is a full lace, so you're able to part it wherever you want, whether you want a center part, a side part. I'm going to be doing a updo, so see you in the next vlog. Here's a peek snippet of what's going to be. Bye, y'all. See you in the next vlog.